The path to good health is paved with a few essential ingredients that are essential to consider. These ingredients, when combined in the right proportion, create a recipe for a healthy life. The first ingredient is proper nutrition. The foundation of good health is a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. This means indulging in an array of whole foods, including fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. The richness of these foods nourishes the body and fuels it with the energy required to live life to the fullest. The second ingredient is regular exercise. Physical activity is not just about building muscles, it's about creating a healthy heart, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, and boosting mood. Exercise helps to create a happy and healthy mind-body connection that is essential to lead a fulfilling life. The third ingredient is adequate sleep. Getting enough restful sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. It allows the body to repair and restore itself from the day's activities. Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. The fourth ingredient is stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on both physical and mental health, so it's important to develop healthy coping strategies to manage stress. Whether it's through meditation, mindfulness, or other stress-reducing techniques, creating a calming atmosphere helps to improve overall well-being. The fifth ingredient is strong social connections. Building meaningful relationships and social connections is an essential aspect of a happy and healthy life. It helps to combat loneliness and depression and fosters a sense of belonging and purpose. The sixth ingredient is healthy habits. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, practicing good hygiene, and wearing protective gear when necessary are all important habits for maintaining good health. In conclusion, combining these key ingredients of health creates a recipe for a healthy and fulfilling life. By prioritizing these essential elements, we can improve our overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, allowing us to live our best lives.